Lambos on the freeway out here in Southern California doing their thing. What's up, everybody? Big Herc 916, and you tune in to another edition of my vlog. I want to say thank you for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing. You know I'm all about that positivity and that motivation. And today I'm at another car show out here in San Clemente, doing big things out here. So let's take a stroll through and see what they got in the parking lot. Got a McLaren 600 LT pulling in. Got a Huracan right here that says I'm Thor. It's pretty sick
Yeah, he does it all, yeah. He does it all.
setup. Got the wrap on it with a nice, looks like bandana fade on it.
Super.
It's pretty cool.
You should have worked there.
Got the Ford GT Classic right here. Never get tired of this car. This thing's a monster. It's got the supercharger on top. This one's got to be on some beast mode. Look at those crossbars right there for structural support. I can only imagine what it's like to drive this. This is one of my favorites. More Lambos. Ferrari. Got another Ferrari. And another Lambo. Porsche in the house. GT3 RS. Followed by a McLaren 570S. Then we have a hot rod in the house. I think it's badass. Got a classic Ferrari. '80s icon. McLaren 675 LT. Mercedes AMG bi-turbo. These things are monsters. Brightly wrapped Viper.
I can see the badge on the wheel. It's kind of like the diagonal mirror, and I just put that division of it.
We got a fully carbon fiber GTR here. This is pretty sick. I've never seen a carbon fiber GT. He said it's not a wrap, so it looked like it's somehow been rebodied. It says Vertake. Leave a comment if you're familiar with this setup. Now, in contrast to the carbon fiber GTR, we have a GTR here with a wide body kit. Which one you like better?
That's Liberty.
The carbon fiber or the wide body? Another Porsche GT3 RS. Park next to an Aventador.
Yeah, you're big hurt from fresh out, aren't you?
Yeah. This Aventador is nasty.
And now I'm breaking it all down the
First bull. You know he spent some money on getting that custom plate. You can't miss this thing going down the highway. 700 some horsepower. V12. More Porsches out here. Ferraris. Thing about Southern California, man, you're gonna see every kind of car you can imagine. There's so much money out here, and people love their cars. It's to the point where you can't even have a regular exotic, just stock. You know, people wrap things and customize the wheels. You know, it's definitely an over-the-top community as far as the cars are concerned. 69 Mustang. This is pretty sweet. Kind of partial to Mustangs because I grew up around a lot of them. My grandpa used to collect these. When I was younger, he had like 5 of them, but they were coupes. But I've always liked the fastback. Looks pretty stock inside. Now check out this.
Yeah, that's something else, dude.
This thing's got a monster motor in it. This Malibu. Look at this thing. Wonder what kind of horsepower you're getting out of that. Got a full roll cage in it. Interior's all modernized, but you know it's about the business. And this paint is just, woo! It's got like a flake in it. Swift 66 is what the plate says. Now let me give you a peek at this wheel setup. Look at that lip. That thing is monstrous. Now I'm not sure what kind of car this is, but it's got a pretty mean body kit on it. Let me know if you guys can name this car. Is this a Hyundai? It has a V on the back. R spec. It's pretty wild looking. So as you can see, there's a lot of cool cars out here today, a lot of variety. I try to get a few cars that I haven't featured before in some of my videos. I know there's always exotics for days out here, so I try to get more of a variety. But make sure you guys subscribe, hit the channel, like button, let me know what you guys think, leave a comment. Hey man, living a good life. Big Herc 916.
I got that work. Hey, see, while y'all in quarantine, I got that work. Split the coronavirus wig, man. Hey, go to the link in the description and get your limited edition coronavirus wig splitter shirts. Big Herc 916 getting down fresh out.